For omission, item number 1.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Cesar Sana, who is engaged for respondent number 2. Your Lordship, my senior is on leg as he's appearing on court number 1 for hearing. So, if the matter may be kindly taken after a week.
You're for respondent number 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're the branch manager.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, petitioner.
Yes, Lordship, the matter has been pending for quite some time now, and they have been adjourning the matter. But however, Lordship, we were planning to have a hearing today, but since my learned friend has talked to me beforehand that the matter will be adjourned.
All right. On the prayer of learned counsel for the respondent number 2 and with the consent of learned counsel for the petitioner, place the matter again on. When? Next week?
No, after a week, Lordship,
After
I
a week?
have some.
Okay.
Item number 2.
Case diary is here?
My Lord, case diary. My Lord, I believe TCR was called in the last occasion. It has not reached yet.
I don't know. As per office note, case diary is called for
Okay.
from Bangkok police station.
My Lord, even to examine whether charge sheet has been filed or not, because
My
now
Lord,
it's 60 days.
My Lord, I would like to submit that at first the case was registered only under section 180 of the BNS. However, my Lord, after investigation, some charges are left to be included. So, if I may be permitted to produce the case diary, my Lord.
What is that day before yesterday's case?
Day before, yes, it was listed.
No, but you were supposed to obtain instructions when the charge sheet has been filed.
Charge sheet is not yet filed because, my Lord, Arms Act will be added in this case. It's a serious offence.
Whatever, whether if it
And-
has not been added,
It's, I'll have to produce a case diary, my Lord. Because if Arms Act is added, then 90 days, my Lord, a charge sheet has to be filed
My Lord,
within 90
It
days.
is only air pistol. How can they add?
My Lord,
Arms Act.
there are some developments, the forensic and medical examination report, that is why, my
also
Lord.
default bail is applicable.
So if I may be permitted to produce a case diary, my Lord, we'll have to
For
check
that I
it from the
have
case
serious
diary.
objection, Your Lordship. He has been in custody since 18 January.
no, today is the 60th day.
Yes.
Yes.
Your right for deferred bail will accrue tomorrow after completion of 60 days. So we'll list the matter again tomorrow. On that day, tomorrow, if you can produce the case diary or show the court that this section has been added,
Yes, my
then
Lord,
you
I'll
have
do
a
that.
case. Otherwise, he's going out.
All right, my Lord.
List
I'll
the matter
produce.
again tomorrow as learned additional PP6. Or your
PP,
PP,
my lord.
learned PP6 for the time to obtain instructions as to whether the charge sheet has been submitted or as to whether any section of the Arms Act has been added.
All right. Obliged.
List again tomorrow. There.
Item number 3.
Your Lordship, this is a subsequent bail application after the previous one was rejected by the Lanit Trial Court in Lunglei District. District Assistant Judge, my Lord. And this is, Your Lordship, the present case has already been at the stage of, it was already charge sheeted and charge was also already framed.
So we call for the TCR,
My lord.
heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned PP. This is an application under so-and-so praying for bail on behalf of petitioner so-and-so. Custody since
Since, my lord, 14/11/2025.
it is further submitted that the charge sheet has been submitted and charges have also been framed. Hence, call for the scanned copy of the TCR. List the matter again. When?
In-
My lord, if
After
TCR is called, collect on the result.
Lunglei.
If it's Lunglei, I think it will take some time. After a week, my lord.
We have called for scanned copy.
After
Yes.
1 week, ma'am.
All right, 1 week.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
May it please your lordship, this is a bail application filed on behalf of the petitioner, Len Mga Izuala, arising out of Waring the police station case number 44 of 2024 under section 22C, 25 and 29 of NDNPS Act. My lord, the co-accused, Lel Fagzuala, has already granted bail by this honorable court. Order dated 26/2/2026, we annex in annexure number 3, page
Page?
number 94. My lord, my primary submission is on the ground of parity. As I already stated, the co-accused Fagzuala has already granted bail by this honorable court, dated 26/2/2026, on the same matters, as the arrest and seizure is also same. My lord, the petitioner has been in judicial custody since 27/9/2024. So, we kindly request to give us bail on the ground of parity.
Yes, PP, you had gone through the records.
I had gone through the records, my lord, since it's under section 37 of NTPS, the bill, my lord, time may be granted, my lord, to obtain instructions.
You see, the earlier order, he was granted bail because the grounds of arrest were not
Yeah.
furnished
Yes,
to
my
him.
lord, yes.
But we don't know whether in this case it was furnished
That's
or
what, my
not.
lord. There cannot be parity in criminal case. Each case has to be examined differently. So if I may be granted some time, my lord, to obtain instructions.
The question of parity will arise once the facts are the same. If it is found that in his case also grounds of arrest were not furnished, then
That is true,
of
my
course, then we don't even need to invoke parity. By itself,
Yes.
you'll
that
be
is true.
entitled. So when?
My lord, today is Wednesday, Friday?
Friday, this Friday?
Mm.
Okay. Heard. Learned counsel for the petitioner, learned PP. There is an application for so and bail under section so and so. Call for the scanned copy of the TCR as the
My lord, if
case is at the
TCR
stage of trial.
If TCR is called, my lord, it's from Colosseum. So by next week, Monday, if it can
All
be
right,
listed.
Monday, list the matter again on.
Obliged.
Obliged, ma'am.
Item number 5.
My lord, this IA is for condoning the delay of 58 days in filing the connected make appeal. And this matter has been taken up for the first time, my lord.
Already heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application for condonation of delay of how many days?
58 days.
58 days in preparing the connected appeal. Issue notice to the respondents, steps by speed post to it, AD within 3 days. List the matter again on
After 4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks.
Yes, my lord. Much obliged.